Now we'll study about the divisions of Rajasthan. These divisions are nothing but the clusters of districts taken together for the easement of administration. Okay. Now let's start. I'm marking on the map and you are going to mark with me Ganganagar, Bikaner, then your Churu and your Hanumangarh. This comprises of your Bikaner division. All right. Let's change the color of the pen. This Jaisalmer, Badmer, Jalore, Sirohi, Pali, and your Jodhpur. This comprises of your Jodhpur division. Ajmer, Nagaur, Bhilwara and your Tonk district. This comprises of your Ajmer division. Okay. Sikar, Jhunjhunu, Jaipur, Dausa and your Alwar. This comprises of your Jaipur division. Districts of Rajsamand, Udaipur, Dungarpur, Baswara, Chittorgarh and Pratapgarh comprises of your Udaipur division. And the districts of Jhalawad, and the districts of your Jhalawad, Kota, Bundi and Bara, these are your Kota division. Last and the smallest and the newest division in the Rajasthan is Savai Madhopur, Karauli, Dholpur and Bharatpur. This was carved out in the year 2005. So two districts are taken from the Rajasthan Jaipur division and one district each is taken from the Ajmer and the Kota division to make the Bharatpur division. Now from this we can understand that Jodhpur, this is your largest division. All right. Bharatpur is your smallest division. Only division having 5 districts is your Jaipur division. Let us write this all here properly. First and foremost, your Jaipur division. It comprises of 5 districts. One is your Jaipur itself, then Sikar, Jhunjhunu, Dausa and Alwar. Your second division is Bharatpur, having 4 districts. Bharatpur, Dholpur, Karauli and Savai Madhopur. Your third division is your Ajmer division, also having 4 districts. One is your Ajmer, Nagaur, Tonk and Bhilwara. Your fourth division is your Bikaner division, also having 4 districts. The 4 districts are Hanumangarh, Shri Ganganagar, Churu and Bikaner. Your fifth division is your Jodhpur division. So let's start with Kota. The fifth division is your Kota division. Also having 4 districts. 4 districts of Kota, Bundi, Bara and Jhalawar. All right. Your sixth division is your Jodhpur division, having 6 districts of Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Jalore, Sirohi, Pali and Barmer. Your seventh and the last division is your Udaipur division, having again 6 districts. One is your Udaipur, Rasamand, Dungarpur, Banswara, Udaipur, Rasamand, Dungarpur, Banswara, Chittorgarh and Pratapgarh. So these 33 districts are divided. So these 33 districts are divided in 7 divisions. Only Jaipur division is having 5 districts. Rest of the divisions are having either 4 districts or 6 districts. The largest division is your Jodhpur division. The smallest division in the terms of area is your Bharatpur division, and Bharatpur is also the newest division which was carved out in the year 2005.
अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें पतंजलि रिद्धि सिद्धि चौराहा के पास, गोपालपुरा बाईपास, जयपुर। कॉल करें 72406 72406।